Good afternoon.
I saw you sleeping outside, so I said I should wake you up so you can go inside.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just fishing water for your mom.
Thank you so much for helping me out. Even when I was away in school, you've been helpful, though. I seriously appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
How is your mom?
Yeah, she's fine.
I hope everything is fine. No, don't worry about that. I will just take it inside. What's that your name again?
Angel.
Wow, Angel. It is sweet name. Well, you really look like an angel. Yeah, you look like an angel. So, it's a beautiful name. And I've been liking you for a very long time. Like, I've been crushing on you. But I don't know if it could work out because I really, really like you.
Well, it won't because I'm facing my studies.
Even me too, I'm facing my studies, but that doesn't mean we cannot be friends. Nothing attached, just friends. It has gotten to a point of me seeing you in my dream. So, just give us a chance.
Well, you have to give me more time because I have to think about it.
Time. Okay, no problem. I'll give you the time. Promise to get back to me. Like, coming out with a positive answer.
Let me just go and think about it. Alright, so you help me with the water, right?
I'll take it up from here.
Alright, let me take my leave.